Hi Ray. I briefed in previously, it must have got overlooked, this issue of we have a series of grey markers, a green marker, and in this instance this region marker should be green. I've tracked down the cause of it. It's when the browser cache is cleared that we end up with this state here. Now that WP Emember is starting to be implemented, the way that it should work is that if a regular visitor for the first time comes to the website on the demo page and they start making color changes to the markers, that information gets stored in their browser cache. When they sign up and they enter the map page, all of the markers are reset, so they start with a brand new slate, a brand new set of markers that are all blue once again, and from that point on, any preferences that they make while logged in on the map page stay with their account. So if they are to log in on another device, the preferences that they have for their account will carry over, doesn't matter what device they go to. And if they're not logged in and they are just looking at the demo page, obviously that can only apply to the computer or device that they are viewing on, those preferences in their browser cache. So that's kind of it for this component of the brief. Let me know if we're not quite there with WP Emember to work with saving preference information into the database yet. I'll leave that to you to investigate and let me know. Thanks, Ray.